Good morning kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your places. Myself, Ms. Surbhi Sharma from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group, Kota. So children, today we are going to start with class 3 GK. Kindly open up your books and keep pencils in your hand and write down everything very carefully. Okay, in this chapter you have to put the tick marks. Put it very carefully. Okay. So chapter number 38, special houses. Now what do you understand by the topic itself, special houses? See, you all know what are houses, where you live, but in this chapter we are going to talk about some different houses. Okay, like the houses which are built by Eskimos, like in the snowy area, or which are moving houses like caravan. Okay, and the boat houses. Okay, such different houses we are going to read about in this chapter. So let's start with the chapter. Different types of houses are found at different places, like the house which is found in the snowy area is different from the houses which are found on the hilly regions. Okay. Given below are a few houses. Read the statements and tick the right answer. So first one, you can see the image. It is a spacious house found in cities. It is called, yes, what it is called? Bungalow, flat or apartment. Okay, here it is written spacious house. Okay, that means bungalow. Okay, A will be the correct option. You have to put the tick mark here. Second one, you can see igloo. Okay, it is made by Eskimos and is called house, caravan or igloo. Igloo is the correct answer. Okay. Third one, it is found in Kerala and Kashmir. It is called A. Shikhara, B. Stilt boats and C. Ships. Okay. It is known as Shikhara. Okay, and it is mostly found in Kerala and Kashmir. Fourth one, these are makeshift houses or tents. These are used by common people, trekkers and students. Okay, you can see these tents. It is movable. Wherever you want to stay while trekking, you can set up this tent and stay there. Okay. Then fifth one, this is a house on stilts. It is found in areas prone to floods. Okay, answer will be floods, and this means like it is a house on pillars. Okay, on you can see this angles are there on which it is placed. Okay, so it is generally it is formed like this to take care from the floods. Okay, to be safe from the floods. Sixth one, the house with sloping roofs are found in or on A. forest, B. water, C. hills. Okay, so hills will be the correct answer. Why it is having sloping roofs? So that whenever there is heavy rainfall or snowfall, that the water and snow can directly flow down from the roof. Seventh one, it is a house on wheels used by gypsies. It is called A. caravan, B. cart, C. van. So your answer will be caravan. You must have heard about these house on wheels in your SST notebooks also. Okay. Eighth one, the houses with thatched roofs are found in areas prone to heat, strong winds or floods. So your answer will be heat. A option is the correct answer. Why? So that it can cool down, it can balance the atmosphere in your house. Okay. Thatched roofs are there so that the temperature inside it remains balanced. Okay children, so I hope you all understood about these various houses very carefully. Mark, you can check the wherever you have put the tick mark, check it once again. Okay, so for now this is all. Thank you.